So on the venue that you want to manage, the first thing we might want to do is to change or insert the venue's picture, the front photograph of the pub or bar. To do that, just click on the blank image. Hit the browse key and search your computer's files for the image you want to upload. Double click it and hit the upload an image. Please remember that some images are quite large files and might take several minutes to upload. So clicking the tab to go back to the pub's front page, the image has appeared. You'll have noticed that all the edit functions have now disappeared. So to get back into the venue editor, simply revisit your profile and click on the pub that you manage, in my case Lewis's. The next thing we want to do is to check the address and add any more details that are required. Press the edit key. Check all the details. In the venue email box, enter your most regularly checked emails. This will be the email address that inquiry forms will be sent to from itsourlocal.com. Typically an inquiry might be, do you have a function room for birthdays or weddings, etc. In the website box, enter your website address if you have your own bespoke website for your venue. In the landlord/landlady box, enter the name of the landlord, landlady or manager. In the surname box, enter the surname. The final box is a welcome message. The welcome message appears on the front page of the website and should set the scene or tone of your venue. A typical welcome message might be, John and Jane and all the staff welcome you to our warm, friendly town bar. Relax in our leather sofas in front of real fires, etc, etc, etc. Once you're happy with those details, click the update button. Click the home page within your website to see the changes. The next thing we might want to do is to edit the opening times. Simply click the edit button. For each venue we have up to 2 opening and closing times a day. This would be typically for a lunchtime opening and then an evening opening if the pub is shut in the afternoon. As most opening and closing times are the same, I'm going to click this tick box which will populate the same information all the way through. For this venue I'm going to show that most opening times are at 12 o'clock and most of our closing times are at 3 in the afternoon. We reopen at 5 in the afternoon and typically we close at midnight. Untick the box and change the openings or closing times that are different. In this scenario I'm going to have Friday and Saturday as opening all day long, closing at midnight, and Sunday opening all day long, closing at 10:30. I must remember to blank off the irrelevant reopening and closing times. We can also, if relevant, have a specific date we're closed. Again, if I selected this option, I should remember to remove all the unnecessary timings. Simply click the update to send the information and visit the pub's homepage to see the changes. Any further changes can be done by hitting the edit key. The regulars box shows the icons of people who are registered members at itsourlocal.com and who have found your venue or bar and said that they drink there frequently. If you would like to remove any regulars that are associated with your pub, simply click the edit key, tick the box and hit the remove selected. We've now removed all those members. We can now go back to my profile and the venue you manage to get back into the venue editor. If you would like to add yourself at this point in time as a regular to the bar, simply click the Add Me button. This will take you back to your profile page, which, as well as the venues you manage, also show you the venues that you're a regular in. Click the venue you manage to get back to the venue editor.